In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel. Whenever we are copying formula in Excel, sometimes cell reference becomes very important. For example, if we do not use cell reference and we want to multiply these two cells, we will use C4 multiplied by D4, enter. And now we want to multiply all these numbers by 50. But if we just select this cell and Control D, drag the formula, it will change the reference to the next cell. C5, C6 and so on, correct? But we want C4 to always remain constant. So for that, we'll select C4 and we'll press F4 function, that is for referencing. So we see that the dollar sign appears before the column name and the row name. So it freezes the column C and row 4. And now if we press enter, select the cells, Control D, drag the formula. So every time these numbers are getting multiplied with this freezed cell. And similarly, you can also individually freeze row or column as per your requirement. You can practice it more using this sheet. You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.